Welcome back to AmSam Fam. My name's Melinda. If you've been with us before, thanks for coming back. If you're brand new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Today we're at Le Faleo'o Samoan Cultural Center. This is their opening day.
Hello everybody, welcome to Le Faleo'o. My name is David Tuine and I'm one of the founders of Le Faleo'o. Growing up, passing through the villages, you could always see evidence of the old Samoan crafts and arts being done. Things that have provided for our life and our culture for thousands of years here in Samoa have diminished. We and my brother-in-law Toho Ching had thought about a way that we could try to preserve that. Understand that back in those days that something like the ikonga or the thigh mat, you can see it back there, was the currency of the past. That's what we use for the dollar. It's understandable that people had to leave that stuff in order to go get a job. They have to pay the bills somehow with currency that everyone recognizes. And so we wanted to be able to try to provide a solution to that, trying to bring our past, meaning the arts and crafts that we have from the past that we've developed for thousands of years, and make it economically sustainable nowadays with the operating on the principles that we have to operate in these days.
Le manu Samoa o mai Samoa. Hey!
Thankful for everyone coming out, and I look forward to you coming out as well.
a great big whawhatai lava to everyone over at Faleo'o Samoan Cultural Center for the awesome performance and the unforgettable evening. If you'd like more information, check out their website. I've included a link down below, as well as the accompanying blog post that I wrote up over at amsamfam.com. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video and what else you'd like to see. Bye!